How to enable two-step verification on Viber. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Viber app on your device. Now tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings. Now tap on privacy. Once you're here, you're going to find the option of two-step verification. So tap on this option. Now tap on create PIN code. Here, you simply have to create a unique PIN code. Once you have done that, tap on the next option. Now you want to enter that again. Then tap on next. Now enter your recovery email address, which can be used to reset your PIN. Then tap on the next button. Enter your email address one more time for confirmation and then tap on the next option. Now a verification email has been sent to your mail, so go ahead and check that. So this is the mail that they have sent. Tap on confirm email button here. And now your email has been successfully verified, and this is how you can enable two-step verification on Viber. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.